I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen grape sorbet. First, ensure your grapes are completely frozen. This is key for the right texture. You'll need about 2 pounds of seedless grapes. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, which adds a lovely tang. Finally, have 1/4 cup of sugar or your favorite sweetener ready to balance the flavors. This simple preparation sets you up for a delicious treat. Now let's get blending. Carefully add your frozen grapes, lemon juice, and sugar into a sturdy food processor. Begin by pulsing the mixture. This helps break down the frozen grapes without overworking the machine. Keep pulsing and scraping down the sides until the ingredients form a crumbly, icy consistency. Then, continue to blend until the mixture transforms into a wonderfully smooth and creamy sorbet. Your delicious grape sorbet is almost ready. For the softest, most refreshing texture, serve it immediately after blending. If you prefer a firmer sorbet, simply transfer it to a freezer-safe container and chill for about 30 to 60 minutes. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks, ready for another delightful treat whenever you crave it. Here are a few extra tips to enhance your sorbet experience. Feel free to experiment with other frozen fruits, like berries or peaches, to create your own unique sorbet blends. Remember to adjust the amount of sugar to perfectly match your personal sweetness preference. And hey, before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade grape sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.